So yeah, my good people, welcome to another session with me. But before we disembark with this session, kindly note that for the first ever time, I'm going to be hosting a red print bootcamp for only $65, and this is only exclusive to 5 individuals. This is only exclusive to 5 of you guys. Listen, if you are looking forward to elevating your trading journey, if you're looking forward to building a proper progressive system, if you're an individual who's having problems with either psychological related problems, risk management, trading skills, scaling, and how you as an individual can be profitable over a long space of time, this bootcamp is designed exactly for an individual like yourself. I'm going to be breaking down how you guys can be able to um, obtain the consistent results over a long space of time without making any form of error and by simply having your own progressive system, right? The problem with most of you guys is this: you purchase a program that does not align with yourself. But with the red print, like I said, it's a solution, which means we build a solution that aligns with you and your current life situation. If you want to scalp, we are going to help you build a scalping solution. If you want to intraday, we'll build an intraday solution for you. If you want to swing, we'll build that also for you, right? What are the things that you are going to be getting? 1 month bootcamp, which means 4 weeks of learning, 1 year mentorship program with me. You are going to be guided by me. Live trading sessions, access to our trading room, red print, full trading course, a Discord and trading community, and then exclusive market breakdown sessions with me. I'm looking forward to working with you. And it's time, man. I gave you guys 7 months to actually see if whatever that you're doing can actually take you somewhere. And you can be honest with yourself about that. Come, let's work together, especially when it comes to this thing. We have the beginner and advanced trading skills, that side, where we speak about advanced supply and demand and normal supply and demand, right? Access to our trading psychology mentor, access to our risk management plans, access to our trading plans, our trading journals, and every single exclusive thing that can help you become a profitable trader. And don't forget that this is only valid for 5 individuals that are serious about elevating their trading journey. If you think you're not a group based type of individual, you can easily book a one-on-one class with me where you get one-on-one coaching, a trading psychology course, risk management, advanced supply and demand, and then also access to our live trading sessions, right? And yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you guys and happy trading. So yeah, my good people, welcome to market breakdown session with me. Unfortunately, it's not market Monday or Tuesday breakdown or recap session because of I've been having internet connection problems, so I was unable to what do you call record any videos for you guys. But let's just do a price breakdown so that we can be able to see what is it that we can anticipate within the markets for this week and even next week, right? So this is our German 30 at the moment. So German 30, as you guys know by now that okay, we've been looking for buying opportunities, man, as an overall structure. But you can see that okay, there is a short-term structure that price is currently creating. So at the moment, what is it that you can see? Price was creating our swing highs, our swing low, and then we have a swing high here, which means at the moment price is ranging in between the swing high here and the swing low. So this is the areas that price is currently ranging in between. We are ranging in between that swing high here, and we're also ranging in between this swing low here, which means that okay, we are supposed to look for buying opportunities to impulse with price to do what? To come and eliminate this high here. Now, what are the things that we should pay most of our attention to? Is do we have a point of interest resting below? And then if you check, I'm not sure. Oof, but there's a normal pip. Right, let me just change my Fibonacci. Let's use what? Normal pip, right? So if you take a Fibonacci from your low to your high, we can see that okay, price broke below the equilibrium phase of the market, which means it went down, and there's a possibility that there might be what a demand area resting below here. As you guys can see that okay, there is a demand area resting at this level here. We have a demand area resting below this the equilibrium phase of the market, which means that okay, us looking for buying opportunities within the markets at this level here, it's something that is valid, right? It's something that is what? It's something that is valid. So now switching back to a bigger time frame, one of the things that we should pay most of our attention to is this. Every single time price pushes the upside, it will inside this internal impulsive and correctional movement. It will create an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, until it eliminates what its major swing high. That's what price is most likely to do. Hence why when you switch back to your possibly 4-hour time frame, right? Let's switch back to our 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to show you something. You can see that price is doing what? Price is creating those impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. We have a big correctional movement, which means you're looking for an impulse to eliminate the high afterwards, right? So our main objective now is to look for buying opportunities so that we can be able to eliminate this bigger time frame high, right? Our goal is to look for a buying opportunity setup that can be able to do what? To drive price to the upside, to go and do what? Eliminate that bigger time frame area. So now, what is it that we can pay most of our attention to? We can see that, okay, there was a high break here. So we anticipated a high break, and then we also had another high break at this level here, right? We anticipated both these high breaks here. And then now price is doing what? Price is currently in a correctional phase, right? Price is currently on a correctional phase, which means this low here. Personally, I'm expecting this low to be eliminated. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking forward to seeing price eliminate this low here, tapping into the lower point of interest and then pushing to the upside. So our main objective now is to look for any forms of demands resting at this level here. So let's check a 3-hour time frame. Nothing. 2 hours. Nothing. 1 hour. I don't think actually that there is a strong POI at this level because of you see how consolidative price becomes when you scale down to smaller time frames. Still have nothing. Let's just check if there is any form of point of interest. Or let me see. Okay, no, there's still nothing. Oh, let's do this. Okay, let's go to a 6-hour time frame. I wanna check something on a 6-hour. On a 6-hour time frame, we can use this support level here. We can use the support level and also this one here. We can use both the support areas here as our point of interest. So you can use both the support areas here as our point of interest, which means that, okay, you want to look for buying opportunities on this guy here. You want to look for buying opportunities on this high here. Give us that tap inside and then that impulsive movement to the upside to go and eliminate this high here. Our main objective is to go and eliminate that high here, right? So which means that for those of you guys that were looking for selling opportunities, we are supposed to use this correctional phase of the market to look for those bearish movements to come and tap into your point of interest. And then from there, you know that, okay, you're switching from a bearish structure to a possible bullish structure. So moving down to other guys, so US30 has been bullish, man. US30 has been bullish. What is it that you can see? Price eliminated this high here, right? And then we anticipated a push to the downside to come and eliminate this area here. So on my past videos, you know that, okay, we're looking for buying opportunities somewhere around this level here, right? We're anticipating that this guy was gonna come and tap into this area here. But unfortunately, what did he do? He missed our point of interest with just few pips. And then we can see that we had like an impulse correction, and then impulsive movement afterwards, right? So now, possibly for other individuals, they'll see that there's a impulse correction. So it's a break of structure, possible shift of market structure, and then they would want to look for selling opportunities at this level here. You see what happens? You create an impulse, a correctional movement here, they get eliminated, and then price pushes to the upside. So there are ways that you can avoid making these types of mistakes, man. How can you do that? By simply understanding that on a bullish structure, the wise thing you can do is to avoid looking for buying opportunities. For selling opportunities on a trending market, on a bullish trending market, right? Rather look for what those continuation structures to the upside, right? So what is it that we can see? We get that impulsive movement to go and eliminate the high, small retracement to come and take the low out. And then now we can see that, okay, we've eliminated the high. So what is it that I'm anticipating now? I'm anticipating that since our price took this high out, we've experienced the correctional structure, right? So I'm waiting for price. Two things might happen. Oh, this is so interesting actually. So price might actually create a failure swing high structure. Let's use this as our supply area. This thing like this actually. Let's use this level here as our possible point of interest. So this is our resistant level here, right? So what is it that I'm anticipating? I might see price actually do the following things, right? Price might actually respect that area and then push a little bit down to come and take this low out, eliminate the high, come back down to eliminate this low here, find a point of interest resting somewhere there, and then get that impulsive movement to the upside. So what I want to see price do now is to see price eliminate this internal range low here. Guys, some of the things that I say, right? Some of you guys won't understand them. Hence why I like creating market breakdowns, but it's only me who sees what I see, right? Most of you guys would agree with what I'm saying, but you wouldn't actually get to understand what is it that I'm exactly saying. You understand? Because of the concept that I'm using now, it's a bit different to the one that most of you guys are actually using to trade, right? But yeah, this is what I'm currently anticipating on this guy. This New York Open that is coming on a smaller time frame, that is coming now. It might influence price to push to the downside to our point of interest. We can look for those buying opportunities from this low elimination, and then we can be able to um, rush with price to the upside afterwards. So now let me just show you. There was this area here that created this correctional phase, right? So price has to come and eliminate that area, which means our point of interest is just this whole level here. Right? Our point of interest is just this whole level here. If not, we are going to, since we've eliminated this low, we are going to push up and then come back down to eliminate everything, take that direction afterwards. And then, yeah, let's move down to another pair. So, yeah, my good people, this is another reminder that it's time for you to join the Red Print Trading Bootcamp. Like I said, our main objective is to help you guys obtain your consistent results over a long space of time by simply building a progressive system that will align with you as an individual. We are offering a 1 month bootcamp, 1 year mentorship program, live trading sessions, access to our trading room where we share our trading ideas, a red print trading course from psychology, risk management, scaling, self evaluation, um, trading skill, and other exclusive things, right? Access to our trading community where you have access to other exclusive, what do you call this thing? Trading information, and also you're going to be getting access to our weekend market breakdown sessions. So make sure that you secure yourself a seat, valid for only 5 individuals. We are starting next week, and happy trading. Okay, so this is gold, right? Gold at the moment, guys, gold has been ranging in the same area. Like this guy has been consolidative and moving in between like this high here, right? He has been ranging in between that high and this low here, right? He has been stuck in between these three key areas here, actually, right? He's been stuck in between these three key levels. But fortunately, we managed to see that, okay, there was like a breakthrough on this guy, like that pushes the upside, right? So what is it that we can anticipate now on this guy? At the moment, we can see that, okay, I was targeting this high, right? I was looking forward to seeing price eliminating this high here because of there was a point of interest that this guy came from respecting. I think the one on the left hand side. Let's check. Oh yeah, here's the point of interest. Gold respected a point of interest on the left hand side. We tapped into him, and then we got that bullish movement. So now, what is it that happened after we got a correctional phase to the downside? That correctional phase was stopped by this key level here. So there was this support level here that stopped the value of price from being in a correctional stage to being on an impulsive phase. And then what is it that you can see also from this guy? When he was in a correctional phase, he came down creating a series of swing highs and swing lows, right? He came down creating those areas. And then now he did what? He eliminated our swing high. This shows us that okay, we are shifting from a correctional to impulsive when we see something like this. Unless if you approach it from a smaller time frame. On a smaller time frame, you look for that shift on this area here, and then you use this area here as your confirmation to impulse with price to the upside. So after eliminating this high, he used this support level also here to rally up with price to the upside. So which means our buying opportunities were supposed to come from that level. And then from there, you can see that he's creating a bullish correctional structure. He's not moving like this, but he's moving like this instead, right? So you can keep on looking for those engulfing bullish, what do you call this thing? Engulfing bullish patterns, right? So areas like this are your point of interest. Areas like this are your point of interest. You can keep buying until you eliminate this high here. So what is it that I'm anticipating at the moment? Personally, I'm waiting for price to eliminate this high, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the supply area is planning to do, right? And then if this supply actually gets to hold, I'm looking forward to seeing price tapping into this area, eliminating this low here, and then pushing to the upside afterwards. So this is what I'm anticipating on gold before we actually push up to go and eliminate that high resting above, right? So I'm looking forward to seeing this guy eliminating this low here, using a point of interest resting below. So you can come and use this point of interest here. You can come and use this point of interest here. And then we will able to do what? To buy to the upside. So yeah, guys. So those are my. I wouldn't say anything special because of price hasn't been moving. So we don't have any proper setups. We don't have anything tangible to stick with. But yeah, those are my setups. And then please do not forget to secure your seat for the bootcamp. Like I said, it's a 5 weeks. I mean 4 weeks bootcamp. Every week is that it's separated to its own chapters: psychology, risk, um, scaling, and then building a solution also. So make sure that you secure yourself a seat. You come work with me. We unlock your financial freedom. And yeah, other than that, wishing you guys nothing but a profitable trading week.